Hey, what's up, guys? I'm filming on the GoPro right now. We're at the lake. We're gonna fish.
Ginger, garlic, soy sauce, and if you can just put the lemon juice in there, how simple is that?
Oh man, that's cute. Oh, hold on. That's cute, isn't it? Good morning. Welcome back to the vlog. I'm here with Mom, Barth, Will, and me. So let's get the day started. Oh man, don't want to put my hand over the microphone. Yeah, because I did that in. If you watch my vlogs, if you're a new subscriber, because we've been going up subscribers pretty lately. Right now I'm riding a scooter with one hand. You know how hard that is. Do you know how hard this is? Like one hand, come on. And I crashed. Hey, what's up, guys? I'm filming on the GoPro right now. We're at the lake. We're gonna fish, see what we can catch. I actually got a waterproof case on. I want to do some because the back of my GoPro isn't waterproof, but the front of it is. Are you all ready? Yep. Went in the water. Okay, guys. We just went fishing a little bit. We haven't caught anything really. How do you think the fish are doing so far? Yep. Oh, it doesn't have any response on that. Axton has a life-proof case. A life-proof case, right? No sponsors. No sponsors. Not copyright, please. I don't want to get sued. He got some cool shots of that. Not in the water though, because we're not dummies, am I right, Axton? So that's all for this clip. So